Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Selenium Python script which will actually take the screenshot of the Google map. So between two locations it will show you the directions, which directions you want to travel if you want to travel from one location to another. So this is actually the Python script right here. So if I execute this Python script, so let me just show you the demo right here. So as I execute this, you will see it will ask you to input the starting address. So you need to enter the source address and the destination. So let's suppose I provide any address right here, and then the destination. Let me just restart this. So as soon as you enter your starting and the destination address, then automatically Selenium will open in the background. It will open Google Maps website. It will take the screenshot, and then it will save this as a image file, JPG image file. You will see direction screenshot has been saved. So you can see it has taken that image automatically, and you can see the directions. If you want to travel from this location to this location, it it just shows you the full route here, full directions. This image, it also tells you the amount of time which will take to travel from this source to destination, 1 hour 20 minutes. So all sort of information is there. So this is happening using Selenium, which is a automation library inside Python. So first of all, you just need to install this. So the command is very simple. Just search for this package here, and the command is simple. Simply install this by executing this command. I've already installed it. So I've given this full script in the description of this video. So if you need the full script here, the link is given in the description. So now let's get started. So let me show you the script here. So first of all, you need to import the necessary packages. So you just need to write here from Selenium. We need to import the WebDriver, and then again from the same package Selenium we need to import this .chrome options. From this we just need to import the options. Once again from Selenium WebDriver common we need to import by, and then lastly we also need to import the time module as well. So these are all the packages which are needed. So after importing these packages, now we just need to actually receive this input from the user. We will use the input function. So here we will ask the user to enter the starting address, and then the destination address. Once again we will ask the question. So here the user will enter the address. So after that we will actually call a function, custom functions that I will define. So here we pass the starting index, starting address, and the ending address. So now we just need to define this function. So now inside this function we need to initialize Selenium library. So the third argument is actually the output file name, the image file name. So you can give it a default name which will be directions screenshot.jpg. It can be JPG or PNG. Let me save it as JPG. So this will be your starting address, and this will be your ending address which will be passed. So now inside this function, the very first thing we need to do, we need to initialize the Chrome options. We can initialize like this, and after that we just need to add some argument here using this function. So if you want to just do this task in the background, then you can add this option of headless. But if you want to see the browser opening, then you can remove this option. but I want the job to be happening in the background, so you can add this option headless. After that, you just need to add another argument here, which will be dash dash window, and here you can specify the size of the window. So I will say 1280 by 720. It's a normal size of the window, and after that we just need to initialize the Selenium driver. So for initializing it, we simply say webdriver.chrome, and inside this we basically pass the options that we define here, which is Chrome options. After defining this, now we will actually write the code in try catch block. So inside this we will receive this address and replace this by using this replace function. So this we need to do for both the starting and the ending address that we are receiving. So like this. So then we need to construct the URL. So we need to open this URL in the Selenium browser, which will be www.google.com/maps, and then here we need to specify the starting address and the ending address. So now we need to open this URL programmatically. For this we just need to call this get function. We go to this URL and then we sleep for 6 seconds so that we can take the screenshot. So the sleep method will actually pause on that page for 6 seconds to take the screenshot. So after it takes the screenshot, again we need to write this in the try block here. So here we simply need to find this element. So for finding the element in the page, we have this method, and here we specify by ID. So here we just need to provide this ID. So this will wait for the DOM element to load, and then it will click on that element automatically. So this is actually the power of Selenium library. It can do the task automatically for you. So then we just need to wait for 1 second, and if the element is not there, then we can simply say accept pass. Then we take the screenshot, and after taking the screenshot we can save this screenshot on the local machine by we have this function save screenshot, and we pass the location output file. And then we can simply write a print statement that your screenshot has been successfully saved. So that's all that we need to do, and we just need to finally quit the driver. So we will have the finally block, which will here we simply quit the Selenium driver. So this completes the application. So it's a very simple application. I showed you step by step. So again, if I execute this, you will see it will ask you the starting address. So here you can specify any address, and then the destination address. So now the window will open. So it will take the screenshot. So if I see the screenshot here, you will see it will exactly tell you the distance, how much time it will take. It will draw the complete route and the directions which needs to. So here this is your source address, this is your destination address. So for this we can see we are not using any sort of API for this. So this is simply we are navigating to the URL, simply pausing it for 6 seconds, taking the screenshot and saving it inside your local machine. So this is actually the Selenium script for this. The link is given in the description. You can actually copy the script, and also check out my website, which is freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.